So as you probably already know, I've got one very annoying smoke alarm that beeps every single time I try and make a video. And it sounds exactly like this. And you guys absolutely flamed me in my previous video about the fire alarm, so I finally decided to take action on this. We're finally going to replace the batteries on our smoke alarm, so let's get started. So as you can see, it's a first alert smoke alarm, and the battery hatch is located right there. And that battery hatch takes in 9-volt batteries. So let me go ahead and get the 9-volt battery. So unboxing the battery should just be easy as doing this. And there we go. Alright, now let's go ahead and get this thing installed. Okay, so there's the fire alarm. Let me go ahead and open up this hatch. There we go, this should release. And as you can see, there's nothing there. So that might be the reason why this thing's beeping. Alright, so let's go ahead and pop this in. Okay, this was a lot harder than I thought it'd be. Okay, so after a bit of figuring out, I realized that you gotta kind of unscrew this thing, so let me do that. And this top piece should just come off, and then here's the battery backup thing, so let me open that back up. Here's the battery. Pop this thing in. Okay. Let's close that. And let's screw this back in. We should be good to go. Now you see, once you replace your fire alarm battery, you're supposed to press this test button here, but if I do that, I'm pretty sure it's going to activate all the fire alarms in this house. Because it's 2 AM in the morning right now, and I really do not want to wake everybody up in this house. But I mean, I've been standing here now for at least 5 minutes, and so far I've heard absolutely no beeping from this thing. So I mean, there you go, now you don't have to flame me in the comments every single time the fire alarm beeps. And hopefully you shouldn't be able to hear this little bastard beep in my videos all the time. So guys, if you liked what you saw, then definitely consider subscribing and liking the video. Feel free to join the Discord server too, I'll leave that in the description below. And so, I'll see you guys in my next video.